At the end of the day, now Igbo people build that Lagos, whether I like it or not. And you can see it when Igbos travel. Every time Igbo people travel back to their villages in December, Lagos is dry. It is true. The whole of Lagos becomes dry. And that tells you that Igbo people are the major contributors of that state that you call Lagos. But you people do not want to accept it. And instead, when they travel to their village, you start burning their shops. You start demolishing their houses. Yeah, let me know what you have to say about this. I personally think that it is wrong. There should be equal distribution of resources of the country. Lagos is not the capital of Nigeria, and as a matter of fact, Lagos has taken so much money every single year for decades in terms of infrastructural development. It is time for other states to be developed, and that is why when you go to some states like let's say even some other Yoruba states, some northern states, nothing is going on there.